Welcome back everybody. In this video we're going to talk about Studio 5000. The aim of this video is to provide a detailed introduction to Studio 5000 and explain how it's used in programming Logix controllers. So what is Studio 5000? Studio 5000 environment expands automation engineering and design elements into a common environment. We use Studio 5000 to design and customize automation systems, including layouts and runtime applications for controllers. You could also use Studio 5000 for visualization stations like HMIs and servers. We can use Studio 5000 to create and open new projects, which can later be downloaded into the controller. So what we're going to do now is open the Studio 5000 launcher. Studio 5000 launcher is just the main startup screen of the application, which helps us select, create and modify a project. So I will open a Studio launcher. So if I go to start and here, go to start and just type Studio 5000 app. When this application opens up, this window or this front page is called as Studio 5000 launcher. Here you have multiple options. Here you could create a new project, or you could create a project from an import from a different project, or there are a bunch of sample projects. You could create one from sample. If you already have a project, you use the open to open an existing project, open a sample project, or you could open a project from upload. And the explore is where you could get help and about. So if we just look at about, it just talks about the version of the software. Okay. So when you are new to a industrial plant and you don't have the file, you could always use from upload. This is the most commonly used one if you don't have a source file to begin with. So we'll try to use from upload. So I do have a controller here at my desk. We'll try to use the from upload button. So once you open the from upload button, it gives you a window saying like, hey, where do you want me to upload from? And since I know my IP address of the PLC, which is 192.168.86.100, I could just select the PLC and hit upload. When I upload, this will upload the